Coming to you from the Next Weather studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia drives Chevy.
Well, maybe Ella J will get a break because we are looking at not just today and the previous days of rainfall, but actually going through the Memorial Day weekend. And some of this rainfall is going to be heavy. You see now that it's starting to consolidate a little bit just to the east of town. Also, as you work your way out towards Athens, Cornelia, out towards Gainesville, getting some pretty good thunderstorm activity there with heavy rainfall. Now, this is what's going on currently down to the south of us. We're talking south of Macon. We actually have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings still, and also out to the state line there with South Carolina, but nothing in the viewing area severe right now. However, the possibility does remain because the potential for severe storms is there, even though it is quite small. So this is your forecast going through tonight into tomorrow morning, and we start off with what we call ground truth. This is what's going on currently, so very good initiation or initialization on this model. Then we take you through the rest of the evening. You would see that rain is going to be moving through past the midnight hour and into the wee hours of the morning. So you could hear a little bit of thunder as you go through your overnight. Rain is going to be particularly heavy north of I-20, especially as we look at some of those northern counties, get into Forsyth County, up around Hall County and those areas, even up into the North Georgia mountains. Watch out, because that's going to mean trouble in some of those washes. So the excessive rainfall possibilities, they're there. The green areas, looking at your typical type of urban and small stream flooding with heavy rain, but you could have some more extensive flooding across parts of the west and also parts of the east right as you get up into those mountains. The risk of severe weather in the darker green is 1 on a scale of 5, and we're mainly talking here about gusty winds with thunderstorms. We go into tomorrow and the risk moves to the south. Again, still 1 on a scale of 5, but we do have to watch out for the potential tonight of the odd tornado. We have had a couple of tornado warnings in Alabama, so you want to watch out for that if you're in this area in green. The main risk, though, is going to be gusty winds with these thunderstorms north of I-20. Let's take a look at the low temperatures for tonight. We're certainly going to be on the humid side. We'll be in the 60s for just about all locations, warming up again, doing this again on Saturday as we get those temperatures in the upper 70s to the low 80s. You'll start to see those thunderstorms pop, and that continues through our Memorial Day weekend. I almost said Labor Day weekend once again. Take a look here at your extended forecast then. I want you to be on the alert for local urban and small stream flooding in areas that get heavy rain over a short period of time. Those of you in the northwest and the northeast, especially heads up there. And then once we end the Memorial Day weekend, of course, we go back to a chance of thunderstorms still elevated as we look at the next 6 to 10 days. High temperatures will be in the 80s with overnight lows in the 60s.